Children, today we are going to study the exercise of the formation of a differential equation. Okay, let's discuss some important points, okay, of the topic. The general equation containing f, x is independent variable, y is dependent variable, c1, c2, cn are the arbitrary constants equals to 0. So we say that the general equation containing f, x, y, c1, c2, cn in bracket equals to 0, where we can see that there are n independent arbitrary constants. Now this arbitrary constants are also called the parameters. So the formation of differential equation means to eliminate the arbitrary constants. We have to eliminate these arbitrary constants to form a differential equation. So for equation with n arbitrary constants, it's need to get differentiated n times. For eliminating one parameter, it would differentiate one time. For two parameter, we have to differentiate it two times. That means the order of the differential equation will be 2. So for n arbitrary constant, we need to differentiate the equation n times to eliminate all the arbitrary constants, right? So hence we can say that the order of the differential equation will be equals to the number of arbitrary constant in the given equation. Alright children, please note down. Let's see this sum, children. In this sum, it is given that form a differential equation of the family of curve represented by x square plus y square equals to 2ax, where a is being a parameter. Okay, so we have to form a differential equation of this equation of family of curve. So let's see. Let's say that x square plus y square equals to 2ax being the first equation. So when we differentiate this equation with respect to x, so what we'll get? 2x plus 2y dy by dx equals to 2a. Now we have got the value of 2a from here. Okay, so 2a can be written as 2x plus 2y dy by dx. So what we'll do, we'll substitute the value of 2a in the first equation. So when we do that and substitute 2a equals to 2x plus 2y dy by dx, we'll get x square plus y square equals to in bracket 2x plus 2y dy by dx bracket close into x. So when we multiply x inside the bracket, we will get x square plus y square equals to 2x square plus 2xy dy by dx. Transferring this 2x square to the left hand side, we will get y square minus x square equals to 2xy dy by dx, which is the required differential equation. Alright children, please note. Okay, let's see another sum. In this sum, it is given that find the differential equation representing the curve y equals to sine inverse x to the whole square plus a cos inverse x plus b, where a and b are the arbitrary constants. Now, to form a differential equation, we have to eliminate these arbitrary constants. Now, how many arbitrary constants we can see are present in the equation? There are two arbitrary constants. That means the order of the differential equation will be 2. That means we have to differentiate the differential equation 2 times. Now first time we are differentiating with respect to x. So what we'll get here? See, dy by dx equals to 2 sine inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square. Okay, minus a upon cos under root 1 minus x square. The dy by dx of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Now taking the LCM of under root 1 minus x square and cross multiplying, what we'll get? Under root 1 minus x square dy by dx equals to sine inverse x minus a. Okay, now we have simplified this expression, this equation. Now again we are differentiating with respect to x. Now when we differentiate again, so here we will apply the product rule. So what we will get on the left hand side? Under root 1 minus x square d2y by dx2 minus 2x upon 2 under root 1 minus x square dy by dx. Okay, equals to dy by dx of sine inverse x will be 2 upon under root 1 minus x square, and this will become 0. dy by dx of constant will be 0. So now cross multiplying this under root 1 minus x square. So what we'll get? Under root 1 minus x square into under root 1 minus x square will be 1 minus x square inside the bracket into d2y by dx2 minus this term and this term will get cancelled when we cross multiply. So it will become minus x dy by dx, and here on the right hand side we left 2. So this is the required differential equation. of the family of curve representing y equals to sine inverse x to the whole square plus a cos inverse x plus b. Please note. Let's see another sum, children. Now in this sum it is given that find the differential equation of the family of curve x minus h to the whole square plus y minus k to the whole square equals to r square, where h comma k are the arbitrary constants. Alright, so let's see the solution. Now how many arbitrary constants we have? We have two arbitrary constants. That means we have to we will be obtaining the differential equation of order 2, right? Okay, now this is the equation of the curve, family of curve. So let's differentiate this equation with respect to x first. So here we'll get 2 bracket x minus h plus 2 bracket y minus k dy by dx equals to 0. The derivative of r square will be 0. Now dy by dx I have written y1. The first derivative y1, second derivative d2y by dx2 will be y2. Okay, it can be written as y1, y2 or y3, right? So from here, now you can see that this will be considered as equation 2. All right, and this I have considered as equation 1. So what we are doing, we are differentiating the equation 2 again differentiating with respect to x. So here we'll get d by dx of x minus h will be 1. D by dx of y minus k into y1 will be y minus k y2 plus y1 square equals to 0. Now if we transfer 1 plus y1 square to right hand side and cross multiply y2, we will get the value of y minus k as minus times of in bracket 1 plus y1 square upon y2. So I have considered this value as third condition. So what we are doing, we are substituting the value of y minus k in equation 2. So when we do that, we'll get x minus h, right? So this is the equation 2 here, x minus h equals to minus times of y minus k into y1. So when we put y minus k as minus times of 1 plus y1 square upon y2, so this minus and this minus will become plus. So the value of x minus h will be obtained as 1 plus y1 square in bracket into y1 upon y2. Now what we'll do, we'll substitute the value of x minus h and y minus k in equation 1. So that's what we are doing to find the differential equation, right? So when we do that, we'll get the equation as 1 plus y1 square to the whole square into y1 square upon y2 square plus 1 plus y1 square to the whole square upon y2 square. Now when we take the y2 square LCM and cross multiplying and taking 1 plus y square to the whole square common, we'll get the differential equation as 1 plus y1 square to the whole cube is equals to r square into y2 square. Alright children, please note. Okay, let's see another sum, children. Now in this sum it is given that form the differential equation of the family of circles having center on y-axis and radius 3 units. Right, now we know the center, it is on y-axis. So what we'll do, we'll assume that the center be 0 comma k and radius is given as 3 units. So the equation of circle with center h comma k and radius r, it will be x minus h to the whole square plus y minus k to the whole square equals to r square. So if we have center 0 comma k, so the equation of circle will be obtained as x minus 0 to the whole square plus y minus k to the whole square equals to 3 square. So when we simplify, we'll get x square plus y minus k to the whole square equals to 9. Let this be as equation 1. Differentiating this equation 1 with respect to x, we'll get 2x plus 2 bracket y minus k into dy by dx equals to 0. So the value of y minus k will be obtained as minus x upon y1. Transferring this x this side, cross multiplying 2 first, that will become 0. Transfer x this side minus x and cross multiply this y1. dy by dx is y1, first derivative. So substituting the value of y minus k in equation 1, when we do that, we'll get x square plus minus x upon y1 to the whole square equals to 9. When we take x square common from both the terms and taking the LCM, we'll get 1 here, 1 plus 1 upon y1 square. When we do that, when we take the LCM, we'll get x square bracket y1 plus 1 upon y1 to the whole square equals to 9. So now cross multiplying this y1 square here, we'll get the differential equation, which is x square bracket 1 plus y1 to the whole square is equals to 9y1 square. So this is the required equation, differential equation of the family of circles whose center lies on y-axis and radius 3 units. Please note down the solution.